Hello everyone, welcome to Collective Gardening. So here I am would like to show you my new plant shopping which I recently did from an online store through a WhatsApp through Instagram. So this is Buds and Blush. So this is an online plant store where they are selling the plants, exotic variety of plants from Uttar Pradesh, UP. So I've seen some and the prices are pretty much in good price. Some for some plant the prices are too high, but the plants which I have ordered, the prices are very pretty much good. So I've placed an order, so I just received the parcel, so I thought I should unbox this along with you guys. So packaging and all, so far the packaging of this parcel is okay and good, the cautions and everything. So let's fast forward it. And as I see, the packaging is very nice. They have had the newspapers. So I have ordered some around 4 or 5 I guess. So 4 plants I have ordered. So and two among those 4 plants, 2 plants I have ordered with the pot and the other 2 without pot. So the plants without pot, they have put them in the newspaper. They have wrapped in the newspaper with some cocoa peat and moss. So the plants are in good condition. So this is a rubber plant. So if you can see this picture, so this is what it shows, the rare variety of rubber plant. So we'll see how far it is going to be the same. And here this is another philodendron which I have ordered. So I'm opening with one hand, so it is taking little time. And this is a philodendron. So by seeing this plant, I didn't thought that this could be in the picture shown in the picture, but let's see. Hopefully, if it should turn like that, then it could be a better deal, because I was looking for these exotic variety of plants as well. So and I have ordered some caladiums. As you all know, I have different varieties of caladium. So I have ordered mixed caladium, but I only received one. I don't know if all the caladium bulbs are there in this pot or what exactly the scenario is all about. So let's see, hopefully once the plant grows up. And this is another variety of caladium which is there in this parcel, and this is what it is. Looks caladium white. So I've ordered this. So this is my shopping, and I have received a complimentary gift from them as well, a small succulent. This is jade succulent. 2 saplings of it I just received. So this is what my plant shopping is all about. So hope you all like the video. If you like, do like, share and subscribe to Collective Gardening.